Ooh, that's nice, huh? It's like an ad for Jimmy Dean.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're at a coffee shop right now and we're gonna go get coffees. I'm in Milwaukee right now where Noah lives, and I'm here for like Summerfest and just like this weekend, and Sadie's coming to like spend the weekend with us, but she missed her flight this morning. She was supposed to get in at like 10:18 a.m. but she literally woke up when our flight was boarding, so she's now getting in at like 5 p.m. I believe. We were supposed to go on this boat with Noah and his friends, but we're not gonna be able to do that now, so I'm just gonna check into the hotel and kind of just do like a little like self-care day until she gets here, and then the normal vlog I'll start, okay? Okay, yeah, so I'm a coffee connoisseur now. I'm following a girl on TikTok that's teaching me all the coffee lingo and stuff. This is an 8-ounce latte, vanilla. It was $6 though.
For a little guy.
Never coming here again. I also tipped $1. I need to get an Instagram picture, Noah.
Okay, here, post. Way too hard. Okay, now you know the touch. Correct your mistakes. Dude, you are horrible. You suck, dude.
We're in Walgreens, we're looking for skincare stuff. Should I get a foot mask? It's just a lip mask. Low-key, her life is fucked up.
Whose?
Marilyn's.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're walking to the hotel that me and Sadie are gonna be staying at right now. It's literally like a block away from Noah's apartment, and we're gonna see if we can check in now and get room keys so that I at least have them, because since I'm not 21, Noah had to book the hotel for us, so he has to check in, but he's going on that boat ride. So we're just walking there right now to see if we can get the keys. Noah's hungover and he's about to vomit on the streets of Milwaukee.
Or the rivers. I can't go on a fucking Ferris wheel that spins like this.
Yeah, you're gonna puke.
Fuck yeah. Whoa! Can I sleep on the couch here?
Oh my god! Okay, room tour AF.
Really close to the window.
No, I was just explaining, like me and Noah were just talking about it. The last hotel me and Sadie stayed at together, we literally thought we were gonna die every single night, like either ghosts or like murderers. So if you want to see me and Sadie's last travel experience, it went really terribly wrong, but I'll link that in the description.
Sink door.
Sliding door, okay.
Slider, bro.
Okay, self-care. Okay, self-care nighttime routine. Damn, they even give you shampoos and conditioners to use. Okay. I just dropped Noah off at his friend's house so that they can like pre-game their little boat ride excursion. It's currently, I don't know where my phone is. It's currently 3:30 and I have to pick Sadie up from the airport at like 6 p.m., around 6 p.m. So I have a few hours just to like sit around and do nothing. Why not just like take some time for myself, relax, do some self-care, shower. I got a few things at Walgreens You guys kind of saw that. I didn't bring any like face masks with me, like I didn't pack any, so I went in. I hope these don't break me out, but I got this Burt's Bees hydrating sheet mask. I got this Milani cherry brightening eye mask, and then I got this Soap and Glory hydrogel lip mask, and I've never done a lip mask, and I'm hoping it's one of those like rubber ones, you know what I mean? I also got this foot mask by Sally Hansen, and then I got this Marilyn Monroe magazine. I did a project on Marilyn Monroe this year, and she is just such an interesting person, and she just like fascinates me, so I thought this could be interesting. I've never ever had a magazine. I've like peeped into my mom's magazines before, but I've never bought my own magazine. However, I am kind of sad because I wanted to take a bath, because that seems like ultimate self-care. You know, have a bath with my face mask on and reading my magazine. There's no way to take a bath unless I sit in the toilet. I'm debating on washing my hair. There's literally no reason for me to. I'm going to the beach tomorrow, so I probably shouldn't. Nah, I'm not gonna wash my hair. Okay, I'm gonna do these face masks, lip masks, eye masks, all of it. This one says 5 minutes. This one says 10 to 15. So I'm gonna do this one first and then do these two together. When you take time, oh my God, I'm dripping this everywhere. When you like take time and like do stuff like this, I don't know what it is about it. Like it literally makes you feel so much better. I already know after doing this, I'm gonna feel so much more like awake and like rejuvenated. Oh my God. I don't want to get in my hair. Why are the eye holes so small? Okay, wait, what? Guys. Oh my God, it's in my eyes. It's in my eyes. It's in my eyes. It's... Why are these eye holes so small? I can't even blink. My eyes don't fit. Either does my mouth. Set a timer for 5 minutes. I guess we wait.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
It was just falling off. I'll let like the juices sit on my face. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna do this lip mask. I've never done a lip mask and I'm excited. Oh, what? Oh, it's clear. I couldn't see it. It's so slimy. These eye things feel amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my body. This has been my combo lately. CeraVe moisturizer and then this spray Aquaphor stuff. I usually use like a scented body cream or like a body butter to like moisturize my skin, but I didn't bring one. I get my hand wet, so it like rubs in easier. Don't forget the neck. Look how cool this stuff is. Oh no, I forgot to do my foot mask. Honestly, I don't want to, so I'm not going to. Oh my God, throw up. I'm so excited for Sadie to get here because I'm literally so bored, but I hate driving in this city and I have to go pick her up and the airport is like 25 minutes. I don't actually know. I'm making that up. I have no idea how far it is. Maybe I should check that. Maybe I should see how far it is, you know? Also, I got a new microphone. It's ginormous compared to my other one, and I honestly think it sounds the same, so kind of a fail 20 minutes away. I come here a lot, but I never drive around. Like I always just let Noah drive, but I've been having to do a lot of driving on my own lately this trip. I've been here for a day. I dropped him off at his friend's house, which is like a few blocks away, and it's literally just one big square, like how you would get there and then get back, like you just take a square. But I got lost. Like I literally, all I had to do was go straight and take one right, and I took 6 lefts. So honestly, you guys, I think this is it for this video. I don't really know what it was, but I think it was kind of fun. My day kind of turned into something I didn't expect. So this video turned into something that you probably didn't expect. I'm for sure gonna do at least 1 or 2 more vlogs of this little trip and actually with Sadie. So stay tuned for those. It's gonna be fun and I'm just gonna be vlogging, like daily vlogging. So stay tuned, shawties. I hope you enjoyed my little self-care day. I need to eat food. Yeah, that's what I need to do. I think the only like food places are like at least a block away, which like these are big blocks, so I'm not trying to walk. And my car is like a block away, like where it's parked. Meat on a stick? What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna see you guys later. Look for the next vlog to see if I go get meat on a stick. Love you so much. Bye-bye.